It's a weekday afternoon at the SAC Club, and executive chef Noah Brewer is getting ready for his special guests. Youth members of the cooking club at SHA's School Age Center visited his restaurant for a field trip, eager to get some experience in the kitchen. Chef Brewer, anticipating the children's palates, decided to teach his young students how to prepare the classic kids' favorite, pizza.
Yes, I love pepperoni.
Brewer says pizza dough is one of the easiest doughs to make. So he took the children through the process. They started by measuring flour and sugar.
Shake it off a little bit.
This was no passive demonstration. The cooking club members followed the chef's directions and got hands-on experience making their own dough.
They liked being part of the process. So it was an interactive thing to where I had the girls come up one at a time and everybody got to participate as opposed to me just doing all the work. This way I think they feel like they're more part of a team.
They finished by adding some yeast and olive oil.
Smells good, yeah?
And I didn't know you had to let the yeast sit and let it get foamy because I thought you just pour it in there like all the other ingredients.
Next came the tomato sauce and toppings.
I want to eat it.
Teamwork came in handy here. Then it was back to the kitchen to put the creations in the oven and await the tasty result.
The purpose for having a cooking club it's teaching life skills, teaching how to more independence and what they can do at home to take care of themselves, being able to not only prepare their own dish, but they're able to make the right decisions nutritionally.
The School Age Center offers a wide variety of programs and activities for children in grades 1 through 6. Litzinger says the cooking club meets twice a week, and the children look forward to days like today when they get to go outside the classroom for an adventure.
I think it's amazing. I mean, that's what we're here for, to offer programs like this for the community. These little people will become me one day, hopefully.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison, Japan, I'm Aya Watsuji.